Okay, so this is a demonstration of how the machine functions. So, power on. Okay, then we check if the pressure regulator is wide open, and then with a test bag we ventilate. During this time, we can adjust all the parameters we want. We can adjust high pressure 65 while looking at the pressure regulator here, pressure gauge. Or we can even choose to regulate the pressure here, like deliver to the patient. You can regulate the pressure. And you can see that if I increase this pressure up to here, the flow will almost stop. Okay. So we can switch between oxygen mode to room air mode. But because we don't have oxygen supply now from oxygen cylinder, we won't switch to oxygen mode. The reason being, there are some flow losses along the way that would affect the suction of the mechanism in there. So we will only be under room air mode. So let's say you want to shut down the machine in a sequence to stop ventilation, and then you power off. So this flow meter actually is adjusted based on the rate at which the pressure at which the oxygen is going to be supplied from the supply source, whether it be an oxygen cylinder or it be supplied piping or whatsoever supply needed, or oxygen concentrator. But the advice is that to whatever rates we are adjusting this, there are some prescriptions that we're going to put on the device later on. For example,